And in this video, I would like to share one thing, guys. We want to improve our spoken English. We want to communicate people, and we want to connect someone. But how? Kaise? And I want to improve my spoken English. You want to improve your spoken English? These are the questions we have. But we don't know how to improve our spoken English because we don't know how to connect someone. Yes, because we are struggling to speak in English. Why we are struggling to speak in English? One of the biggest reason, we have fear, we have hesitation, we have nervousness. When I will speak in English, so oh my God, how can I speak in English? People judge, people laugh, and then no, I don't want to speak in English. I'm comfortable in my Hindi. I never speak in English because when I will speak in English, so people judge, people laugh, people pulling my leg. So how can I speak in English? These are the questions we have. So how to overcome? So first of all, you have to break your comfort zone. Yes, and when you will break your comfort zone now and then see changes, because without overcome your comfort zone, it's not possible to achieve fluency. Yes, I did my lot of efforts, Yes, so that's why I'm speaking very fluent English. And what about you? You also want to improve your spoken English? So you have to follow my Insta, you have to follow my YouTube channel and then see changes. Yes, it's like you have to give your 100%. You have to think in English, walk in English, talk in English. जब भी मैं खाती हूँ, पीती हूँ, सोती हूँ, English. Even you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to speak in English. When you will listen to music, so you have to listen only English music. You are comfortable Hindi, but why you want to speak in English? Because you want to improve your body language, you want to improve your communication skills, so that's why you want to improve your spoken English. So you have to overcome your comfort zone. Without overcome, it's not possible to speak in English. दिन में सुबह से जब से उठ रहे हैं रात तक सिर्फ हिंदी, छत्तीसगढ़ी. And what about English? We don't have any environment to speak in English, so that's why we are struggling to speak in English. And when you will speak in English at least 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and then she changes. You speak very fluently English, You have to start random conversation. You have to introduce yourself and then she changes. So how was my video? If you like my video, so please follow my Insta.